My name is Devin Trefftzs, and I work for Polyram Compounds. I am the maintenance manager here. I am in the Extend Leader program. I would say a problem I faced, considering this is my first management position, is just kind of not really knowing where to get started. I don't want to say I was just thrown in the mix and figuring it out, but it kind of was that way. The training that I'm learning is that, originally my thought was I have to fix my department and my people, but in reality it starts with me and the issues that I have, and I have to focus on myself and grow before I can help other people do that. Sean's a pretty solid guy. He explains things in a way that, you can understand it. He invests his time in us, and yeah. So it is, again, it all kind of goes together. Because we're still kind of early in this, and we haven't really focused on, the team yet. We're still focusing on ourselves. So it all just kind of correlates to that, and the big success that I'm seeing in myself is just personal growth, and that's pretty well it. I would tell somebody to don't just go through the motions, but actually, spend time and invest it, and take to heart what you're learning. So.